जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू स्टेनोवर्क्स। आई एम योर टीचर मोहम्मद वसीम। जी आज हम एक और लीगल डिक्टेशन लेने जा रहे हैं। टोटल इसमें जो वर्ड हैं वो है 638। 120 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड के हिसाब से मैं बोलूँगा तो 5 मिनट एंड 31 सेकंड्स की ये टोटल डिक्टेशन होगी। जी स्टार्ट करते हैं। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। At the very outset, learned Attorney General for Pakistan has emphatically stated about the presence of coronavirus COVID-19 in Pakistan and has contended that this virus has spread in the country, infecting considerable portion of its population, which is the matter of grave concern for the government of Pakistan. He has further contended that worst is yet to come and the government of Pakistan is expecting severe spike in spreading of this virus in the month of June, 2020. He has further contended that the resources available with the government of Pakistan are not enough to meet the emerging scenario and there is every likelihood that the health sector will be overwhelmed. He has explained that Pakistan's economy was already facing challenges when the incumbent government took charge of the country, in that not much money was available in the coffers, and while the government was making effort to recover from the economic crisis, this coronavirus COVID-19 emerged and all the resources of the of the government meant for health sector, were exhausted in dealing with this virus, and even the resources, meant for other development activities, were also utilized to meet the challenges emerging from this virus. He has contended that government has taken all necessary steps to secure the life of the people of Pakistan. He has, however, contended that the emerging challenges owing to coronavirus COVID-19 are real. We are fully cognizant that menace of coronavirus COVID-19 is very much present in Pakistan and it has also caused large number of fatalities and considerable number of people have been infected and their numbers are increasing day by day. Spreading in Pakistan, has set the alarm bell ringing. Yes, the government of Pakistan did take immediate step to face this virus and mitigate to its effect on the people of Pakistan, and in this regard colossal amount of money was diverted and used. We admit that Pakistan has a struggling economy and coronavirus COVID-19 made it more staggering. A request has been made by the Learned Attorney General for Pakistan, so also the Learned Advocate General Sindh, that a team of doctors may be constituted and its opinion sought on the coronavirus COVID-19 about the ventilators, he has stated that order have been placed for importing ventilators from abroad, out of which 300 have been received and distributed among all the 4 provinces, ICT and GB. As soon as the remaining are received, they will also be distributed accordingly. He has further stated that very manufacturing of ventilators in Pakistan has been started and soon they will be available in the market. He stated that ventilators manufactured in Pakistan shall be of international standard and capable of being exported abroad. Thus, Pakistan will be self-sufficient in all manners to face the coronavirus COVID-19. We are sanguine that the chairman and the MA will be able to cope with both the menace coronavirus COVID-19 and low-cost attack. We wish him successful in these and the hour. The government of Pakistan, as stated by the Learned Attorney General, is doing everything to mitigate the miseries of the people, though it is short of funds, and for the purpose seeking aid from abroad. Stop. Let a further report in this regard be submitted by the NDMA, so also the National Health Service and Research Center. Stop. Further, the report be also submitted by the federal government as well as by the provincial government, ICT and GB. Stop. All government departments are directed to file before the court copies of the contract with the contractors implying sanitary employees. Stop. All their dues shall also be paid by the contractors positively within 2 days, and if not done so by the contractors, the same be done by the respective government. Stop. Let a compliance report in this regard be also submitted to the court. Stop. The end.